Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the house. There's the car. Pare, tingin ng konti, pare. Yun, kaway, kaway. Okay, that's my kumpadre. Papasok tayo sa loob. Ito bahay ni Billy Joe. Yan kotse niya. Yan si Blackie, oh. Blackie. Saka yung van. Okay. Ito po yung gate, papasok. Makita nyo yung pinto. Entrance pa lang. Ayan yung taas. Ayan po, ayan. Ito po yung entrance. Pagpasok nyo po ng entrance, right side, kitchen. There's the guy. That's kitchen. There's the guy. There's the kitchen. There's the center table, dining. That's the center table.